You have a lot of questions,
This question from Germany. The term Khalifatul Muslimeen is used for the Ottoman emperors. Does Huzur think that it is proper?
Please repeat.
The term Khalifatul Muslimeen is used for the Ottoman emperors. Does Huzur think it proper to use this term for them? And
why not? They have every right to coin a term. So this is a term which is coined by them, which relates to the kings or emperors of Turkey. And it is confined only to the Turkish territories. It does not extend beyond that. But the term Khalifa, which is used by the Holy Quran and which is recognized in Islam, is not a territorial term. It covers the entire world, the whole earth. So they have every right to coin their own terms, and Islam has his right, its right to coin its own terms. So they are not to be mixed together.